each one of these sections. This is one section. So here's a cochlear nerve branch, and it comes all the way up into here to what we call the basal membrane, and it has nerve endings that go into the receptors. Remember I said with special senses that the nerves actually don't go directly to the actual contact point. The nerves go to the special receptor, and the special receptor is what picks up the actual special sense. So you have cochlear nerve, and these are the special receptors. Now you have here, doesn't show it too well, but right over here is an inner hair cell, and the nines are outer hair cells. These are the hair, or the cerucilia. This is the tectoral membrane.
It's not that thick though, right?
Oh yeah, it could be even thicker than that, especially if you're about 6 years old. Now in my case, they're about down to here.
Oh, these are the hairs we're talking about.
Yeah. So the cochlear duct, vestibular duct, and tympanic duct.
So can you like count yours?
Can I count my hairs?
Yeah.
No.
Six.
Not like yourself, but like if somebody could see it, could you?
No.
Because that you can't really count.
Yeah, no, they're still fairly plentiful. They're just kind of beat down a little bit.
Oh,
This
shorter.
thing's been going
You mean
like
it's
this.
shorter?
It's called the Jimi Hendrix effect.
Oh, okay. Now,
All right, now there's something else you need to notice. Look at the inside of all the ducts, and you're going to see, what are these? What kind of tissue do you think that is?
that's the
Epithelial
epithelium.
tissue.
Yes.
All the ducts have epithelial tissue as a way of, remember, epithelial tissue is always lining the insides of cavities, open tubes, and anything open to the outside. Is this open to the outside?
No.
Yeah.
The sound has to come in.
Yeah, it is.
How does it get in?
No, I thought it's. I thought that was the one that's inside that.
This is
section.
inside the cochlea.
Okay.
Is the cochlea open to the outside?
I would say no.
And you'd be right. But it is a cavity, and so it does have that lining on the inside, just like inside the pleural cavity, inside of the heart. Heart's not necessarily open to the outside, but it's lining on the inside. The endothelium is simple squamous. All right. That's about all you need to know on that.
Oh.
Okay? I think this is the tectoral membrane. This is the device that, as the sound waves are converted from actual sound waves to mechanical waves, they are transported into here, which cause this vibration, and this thing starts going like that. And what happens is you have inner and outer cells. The inner cells give you a different tone or pitch. The outer cells give you the opposite tone or pitch. And sometimes also intensity of the frequency. All right.
The other one.
What is this?
That's
That is
the
actually,
the plate or something.
this is actually spongy bone within what?
Isn't that the plate or something?
Where is the structure? It's
Oh.
inside what?
The
It's in the
cochlear.
temporal bone. So is this going to be part of the cochlea, or is this part of the bone?
Cochlear.
It's part of the cochlea.
Yeah.
But remember, the cochlea and the semicircular canals have a bony labyrinth, and it has a membranous labyrinth. And this is an extension of the bony labyrinth from the temporal bone itself. Inside here, this is the actual membranous labyrinth all around there. Okay?
Okay.
I don't think they're going to use that chart, but you may want to spend 5 minutes looking at it. It's kind of a review. They could use a chart on the actual crossover effect of the vision. Remember we talked about the lateral aspect of each of the eyes. Stay unilateral, stay on the same side, and the medial aspect of the retina crosses over to the other side of the brain. So make sure you remember that too. All right. Any other questions?
Go over quick.
Go over what?